It is windy and blowing out. That is just the wind blowing the camera, rocking the truck camper. Let's get it to stop here a second. So that is just the camper rocking from the wind. So we are raining pretty good out here. Look at that. Thick clouds, you can't hardly see any of the mountains in the distance. There's Lori in the clubhouse, Randy, Butch. Where's Mr. Paul? There he is, and Dalton's way up there. You can hear the wind blowing around pretty good. Just listen up there. Listen over here in the skylight. Turn the light back on. So you can see the water up there. I don't think it's raining right now, but it is blowing. Yep, it's blasting on me. So it looks like Lori is in there. Everybody is in their rigs now. Randy looks like he's asleep. Huh. All right, it is the next morning after the big rain windstorm. So let's see what we got. Now it's a nice day. Much less wind today. Blue skies. There's the clubhouse. But you look at the camper here and look at that window. Dirty, dirty, dirty. So I gotta hose this thing off, make it look pretty again. See all this mud that got blown up on here. It's gonna be hard to see out my windows. Got on the mirrors here too. And you can see my windshield. I got all muddied up. Bumper. My bubble window. You can see on this side, it's not too bad. We didn't have wind over here. Oop. Time to get some propane, half red. Actually, I should be good for another week. Had a little barbecue last night in the wind, and I put a Makita drill box here, and that blocked the wind pretty good. And then that's my porch light for back here, because that one there, I haven't been able to find a replacement. It has a large hole behind it, and having trouble finding one that I liked. Okay, so that is the aftermath of the storm update. There's Mr. Paul's van over there. And if we go out here a little bit farther, you see Mr. Dalton up there with his trailer. Okay, that is it. Okay, let me see if I can get a little cleaning done on the camper here. One thing I have is a hose. So let me undo the hose here. So one thing that I do have on the camper is a hot water connection on the outside, just for such purposes. Of course, now I'm getting the hose all tangled up. All right, let's run over here and I'll show you what I got. Switch hands. Okay, so I have a hot water connection for the garden hose here, so I will put that on. If I can do this one-handed, you know how things like to work against you. So hopefully this will work without too much effort on my part. Okay, there's that. And then I need to put my spray nozzle on the other end. So that I can use the spray nozzle to spray off the mud on the truck camper. Just let me uncoil this a little bit, make it usable. Right. Then I have to get into this compartment where the water heater is and turn on the valve for the hot water. And this one here is always a bugger. There we go. Put my insulation over here. And I believe it's this one here. Yep, that's it. All right. Let's see what we get here. Sorry, but unlike some channels, I will not be taking advantage of my body and washing the truck in a bikini. I have high standards here, and I will not compromise for 1 minute the quality and G rating of this channel. Well, it's washing it away a little bit here and getting the camera wet. It's not hot yet though. Take a minute for the hot water to get here. I don't think I'm really using very much water either. There, now I'm starting to get hot out of here. I'm gonna change this to the jet. I think the jet is better for rinsing off things. And I'm sure that the hot water will help too. But yeah, you can see the mud coming off, so that's good. So it's working pretty good. I'll have to go get some new fresh water now, but small price to pay. I got a pinch in the line. It's always nice to have. Okay. Clean off the windshield. Got to put my new windshield wipers on here too. Not very much pressure, but it's better than nothing. Alright. The truck is looking a lot better. You can see it's taking the mud down. All right, heavy day. Let's walk around to the other side here and check that. You can hear the water heater running to keep up with it. I'm not going to worry about rinsing this side off. It's not too bad. Get my windows though. I'm sure the desert will appreciate extra water. Okay, so now I got to go down and get my new rear tires pretty quick. Oh. So yeah, that worked out pretty good. Rinse off that a little bit there. And just kind of check up front here real quick, see how this is doing. Drop off some garbage over here too. But yeah, see the window there? Much better. Yeah, I gotta put on my new windshield wipers. These are dead. Okay, so that takes care of that. And I got a cloth, I'll wipe off all the glass too and get that done. Okay, so that is it. All cleaned up, ready to go. Looking spiffy again.